Yes. I'm at the bartender. Ooh.
Yeah. You know, virgin margaritas are really good.
Virgin margaritas? I know my mom makes good ones. But the real deal is good too.
How do you know?
Oh, I just know these things. Trust me. I'm a girl experienced
Ooh, what you trying to
of
say
certain things.
Like?
Oh, cleavage. Katie's showing off for her boyfriend.
What?
Her boo-boo bear.
What?
Where's Kenichi? Kenichi!
I don't know. She's calling. But yeah. It's beneficial, so
You know who I love?
Kenneth Ray Perry. Ew, that's gross. You know who I love? You, Angela Renee Martin.
Me too!
Ken, where are you?
Kenichi!
Finally. Alright, bye.
He's here?
He's pumping gas.